Have you ever eaten a full plate of food and still felt unsatisfied minutes later? It's not always the food that's the problem. It's the way our brain processes eating. The good news is, you can rewire your brain. You can feel satisfied, in control, and truly enjoy your meals. And it starts with one simple practice: mindful eating. Welcome back to Mind Reset Academy. This is the place where we explore the science of the mind and discover tools to reset your life from the inside out. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, because today we're unlocking the secret to eating with awareness and rewiring your brain for real satisfaction. Section 1. Why mindless eating hurts us. Most of us eat on autopilot. Think about it. When was the last time you had a meal without your phone, the TV, or some distraction in the background? When we eat this way, two problems arise. First, we ignore the body's hunger and fullness signals. The brain takes about 20 minutes to realize you're full. If you eat too quickly, you override that signal and end up overeating. Second, we train the brain to chase quantity instead of quality. The reward system starts focusing on more food instead of enjoying food. That's why you can eat a whole bag of chips and still feel empty inside. Section 2. The neuroscience of mindful eating. So, what really happens when you eat mindfully? 3 powerful things occur in the brain. First, the prefrontal cortex comes online. This is the part of your brain that helps you stay aware and make conscious choices. It helps you ask, am I really hungry? Or am I just stressed, bored, or anxious? Second, dopamine, the feel-good chemical, works differently. When you eat slowly, dopamine is released steadily. You get a longer, smoother sense of pleasure. That means you feel satisfied with less food. Third, the body shifts into rest and digest mode. Just pausing before a meal, taking a deep breath, or feeling gratitude for your food tells your nervous system to calm down. Digestion improves, stress hormones drop, and you stop using food to numb emotions. Section 3. The 4 pillars of mindful eating. Mindful eating can be practiced through 4 simple pillars. The first pillar is awareness. Before eating, take a few deep breaths. Look at your food. Notice the colors, the smell, the textures. Ask yourself, am I truly hungry or just looking for comfort? The second pillar is 1 bite at a time. Put your fork down between bites. Chew slowly. Pay attention to the taste as it changes in your mouth. Bring yourself back into the present moment. The third pillar is removing distractions. No screens, no rushing, just you and your meal. Studies show that people eat about 25% more when distracted. So, focus only on the food in front of you. The fourth pillar is checking in with your body. Halfway through the meal, pause. Ask yourself, do I feel satisfied, or am I still hungry? Learn to stop when you're comfortable, not stuffed. Section 4. Daily habits to support mindful eating. There are also simple habits that make mindful eating easier. Use smaller plates. Your brain sees a full plate, even if it's less food. Drink water before meals. This supports digestion and reduces overeating. Keep a food journal. Don't count calories. Just notice why you ate and how it made you feel. And finally, practice gratitude. Before eating, thank the food, thank the people who made it possible, and thank your body for receiving it. Gratitude turns every meal into a moment of awareness. Section 5. Real life benefits when you eat mindfully. The benefits go far beyond the table. You experience smoother digestion. You naturally manage your weight without strict diets. You reduce emotional and binge eating. You find more joy in every bite. And you gain freedom. Freedom from guilt, from overeating, and from feeling controlled by food. Mindful eating isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. Maybe you put away your phone. Maybe you chew a little slower. Or maybe you pause halfway through and ask, am I satisfied? Notice the difference. Your brain will start to change, one meal at a time. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Mind Reset Academy and share it with someone who struggles with overeating. And let me know in the comments, what mindful eating habit are you starting with today?